ready to transform your Facebook Messenger into a powerful, automated engagement tool. Today, we're diving deep into Messagebird's Flow Builder to craft interactive and personalized conversations for your Facebook Messenger audience. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to the Flow Builder within your Messagebird dashboard. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to visually map out your customer's journey. We'll start by dragging a send message block onto the canvas. This is your initial greeting, setting the tone for the conversation. Type in your welcoming message here. Make it engaging and clear, for example, "Hi there. Welcome to your brand name. How can we help you today?" Now, let's add some interactivity below your message. Use the Add Buttons option to present quick replies. These guide the user and make it easy for them to respond. Think of options like Explore Products, Contact Support, or FAQ. Each button selection will create a new branch in your flow. Click on the connector from a button to start building the response for that specific choice. For Explore Products, you might add another send message block with a brief overview and a link to your product catalog. For Contact Support, you could prompt the user for their email address or a brief description of their issue, using a wait for reply block to capture their input. Messagebird offers numerous blocks to enhance your flows. From collecting customer details to sending automated emails. Explore conditional logic to personalize responses based on user input or past interactions. The key is to anticipate your customers' needs and guide them. Seamlessly use personalized messages whenever possible, perhaps by referencing information you've previously collected. Once you're happy with your design, always remember to save your flow and then activate it to go live. And that's how you build engaging Facebook Messenger flows with Messagebird. Start designing your automated conversations today and watch your customer engagement soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips.